This is a remix of Glozell, So You Think You Can Dance.
Check it out on YouTube. Alright, hold on. I gotta do my entrance.
Big butt. Why do you have a big butt? Kiki, why do you have a big butt?
Oh my god.
Go away.
Why do you have a big butt?
You just ruined it, little girl.
Do you want me to stop this? Oh, no, she's still going. She.
My pants are falling down.
Thank you for showing your crotch to America.
Oh, my pants.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You have to do your exit.
Oh. Oh, wait, I just missed that part. See you later.
Oh my god.